Running a business is tough, we've all been there. The last thing you need is a plumbing problem. Clogged drains are a nightmare. They can slow you down and cost you money. Nobody wants that, right? But there's a solution. Enzyme drain cleaners. Enzyme drain cleaners are different. They're made with good bacteria, not harsh chemicals. These bacteria are like tiny superheroes breaking down grease and gunk. And the best part? They're biodegradable. That means they're good for your business and the planet. It's a win-win. Think about all the stuff that goes down your drains: food scraps, soap, hair. It all adds up. Over time, it creates a blockage, like a traffic jam in your pipes. Clogged drains can cause water to back up, leading to nasty smells and even flooding. Yuck! Plus, it's a health hazard for your staff and customers. How enzyme drain cleaners work. Nature's little helpers. Enzyme drain cleaners are a revolutionary way to maintain your plumbing without relying on harsh chemicals. These products harness the power of nature to keep your drains clear and free-flowing. Enzyme drain cleaners work naturally. Unlike traditional chemical cleaners, they use biological processes to break down clogs. When you pour the enzyme cleaner down the drain, it immediately starts to work. The good bacteria in these cleaners feed on the organic matter clogging your drains. These bacteria are specially selected for their ability to digest fats, oils, grease, and other organic materials that commonly cause blockages. They break it down into smaller bits, like tiny little composters. This decomposition process is not only effective but also environmentally friendly. The organic matter is converted into water and carbon dioxide, which are harmless and easily washed away. This process clears the blockage and keeps your drains flowing freely. Regular use of enzyme drain cleaners can prevent future clogs, ensuring that your plumbing system remains in top condition. Prime Cleaning Solutions can do this for you on a regular basis. No harsh chemicals, just the power of nature. By choosing enzyme drain cleaners, you're making a conscious decision to protect the environment while maintaining your home's plumbing. It's a win-win situation for both you and the planet. The benefits of going green: saving money and the planet. In today's world, businesses are constantly looking for ways to cut costs while also being environmentally responsible. One of the most effective ways to achieve both goals is by switching to eco-friendly products and practices. Switching to enzyme drain cleaners is a smart business move. These cleaners use natural enzymes to break down organic material, making them a powerful and effective solution for keeping your drains clear without the need for harsh chemicals. First, they're safer for your staff and customers. Traditional chemical cleaners can release harmful fumes that can cause respiratory issues and skin irritation. Enzyme cleaners, on the other hand, are non-toxic and safe to use around people and pets. No more harsh fumes or dangerous chemicals. This means a healthier work environment for everyone, reducing the risk of health-related absences and increasing overall productivity. Second, they're better for your plumbing. Enzyme cleaners work by breaking down organic matter naturally, which means they won't corrode your pipes like traditional chemical cleaners can. Pouring bleach and water also destroys the rubber P-trap in your office floor drains. Harsh chemicals can corrode pipes over time, leading to costly repairs. This not only affects your budget but also causes unnecessary downtime and inconvenience. Enzyme cleaners are gentle on your pipes. By using them, you can extend the lifespan of your plumbing system, saving money on repairs and replacements in the long run. Finally, they're good for the environment. Enzyme cleaners are biodegradable, meaning they break down naturally and don't contribute to pollution. This makes them a sustainable choice for businesses looking to reduce their environmental footprint. By choosing biodegradable cleaners, you're doing your part to protect our planet. Not only are you making a positive impact on the environment, but you're also setting a great example for others to follow. Going green is not just a trend, it's a responsible and forward-thinking approach to business. Keeping drains flowing, a regular routine. Prevention is key. In any business, maintaining a clean and efficient workspace is crucial. One often overlooked aspect is the health of your drains. Regular maintenance can save you from unexpected and costly plumbing issues. Using enzyme drain cleaners regularly keeps your drains clean and prevents clogs before they start. These cleaners are designed to break down organic matter, ensuring that your pipes remain clear and free-flowing. By incorporating this simple step into your routine, you can avoid the hassle and expense of emergency plumbing services. Think of it like brushing your teeth for your pipes. Just as you wouldn't skip brushing your teeth to prevent cavities, you shouldn't neglect your drains. Regular use of enzyme cleaners is a proactive approach to maintaining a healthy plumbing system, and Prime Cleaning Solutions can keep track of monthly drain enzyme maintenance for you. We simply pour some down the drain at the end of the cleaning day and let the enzymes work overnight. This allows them to break down any buildup while your business is closed, ensuring that your sink and floor drains are ready for the next day's activities. Let it work its magic overnight, and you'll wake up to a fresh, clean start. The enzymes continue to break down organic matter, preventing clogs and keeping your pipes in top condition. And voila, fresh, clean drains every morning. This simple routine can make a significant difference in the overall maintenance of your business. A clean drain means fewer disruptions and a more pleasant environment for both employees and customers. So ditch the harsh chemicals and make the switch to enzyme drain cleaners. Not only are they effective, but they are also environmentally friendly. Harsh chemicals can damage your pipes and harm the environment, whereas enzyme cleaners are a safer, more sustainable option. Your business, your customers, and the environment will thank you. By choosing enzyme cleaners, you're making a positive impact on your business's efficiency and sustainability. It's a small change that can lead to big benefits, creating a healthier, more eco-friendly workspace for everyone. Call Prime Cleaning Solutions today at 314-456-7775 or visit us online at www.officecleaningstl.com.